In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Ehamarket trading step by step. This guide is made for beginners, so just follow each step carefully on your mobile phone. First, open your browser and go to the official Ehamarket website, or open the Ehamarket app if you are using the app version. Make sure you are on the correct website to avoid fake platforms. Log in using your registered email or phone number and your password. After logging in, you will land on your account dashboard. Here you can see your balance, trading account, and other options. To withdraw money, look for a button or menu called Wallet, Funds, Finance, or Withdrawal. Tap on it. Inside the Wallet or Funds section, you will see options like Deposit and Withdraw. Tap on Withdraw to continue. Next, you may be asked to select a withdrawal method. This could be a bank account, crypto wallet, or another payment method depending on what the platform supports. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to add or bind your payment details first. If you are withdrawing to a bank account, enter your bank name, account number, and account holder name exactly as registered. If you are withdrawing to a crypto wallet, select the correct network and paste your wallet address carefully. Always double-check the address and network because mistakes can cause permanent loss of funds. After choosing the method, enter the withdrawal amount. Make sure the amount is within the platform's minimum and maximum withdrawal limits. Some platforms also show a withdrawal fee, so check the final amount you will receive. Next, the system may ask for security verification. This could include entering a trading password, login password, or an OTP code sent to your email or phone. Complete this step to confirm your request. Once everything is filled in, tap Submit or Confirm Withdrawal. You should see a message saying your withdrawal request has been submitted. Now you need to wait for processing. Withdrawal times can vary depending on the platform and method. It may take a few minutes, several hours, or even a few business days. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Transaction History or Withdrawal Records section. That's it. That's how you withdraw money from Ehamarket trading. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more simple trading and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching.